Hello and welcome to another Excel BI challenge, in this case number 671. It's something about words, combinations and vowels. So yeah, let's see. So, pair of words that contains all 5 vowels. So here first, should drag this down to stay in the. So first I want to have all the words. Then I concat them, W, and make a semicolon in between two row W. I get all the combinations. Now I want to map this. Or do I need to map this? Yeah, I think so, because I now want to have it in a substitute. Let's use a array. So now the length of this should be unequal to the length of this after the substitution. Length. True and false, and then the product should be positive, negative. I think I need a minus minus. Yeah. Okay. Now I know what to do. So I map C in lambda A, substitute A. All text is. We do not need to pay attention to upper and lowercase. Now close it. New text is nothing. And len of A should be unequal to len after substitution, and product minus minus. Close all of this. And we now see where the word combinations are, where we have those double words. The problem is that we have those words 2 times. So I have them both, because also if it's the other way around with my concatenation, I get those words, but we will solve this in the next step. So this is M. Now if M, then C, otherwise nothing. I get those words. So let's make it a column. Ignore blanks and stuff. It's not ignoring. So let's make this an error. It's not working. Yeah. I need to make this an error. Okay, now it's working. So here I forced an error, and then the 2 row is working. Now this is not sorted. Therefore I need to sort those words first. T, and now map text, map T, lambda A, array to text, text sort, text split. Now I need to pay attention. I want to split by row. Now it should sort. Then I can use unique on this to get only the unique words. Now we are at the words. Why should it be the other way around? Is it important? Nah, I don't think that is important to have it like in the same order. It could be because of you, but it's not important for me. So text join, the limiter is a comma. No, not a comma. Otherwise I have errors with my non-European friend. Text split. Column delimiter is in my case the semicolon, in your case the comma. And we have it solved. This was easier than expected, but here's still a struggle, kind of. But yeah, interesting stuff to do. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.